Diet for acid reflux. Risorder -5 best and 5 worst foods for acidity. Acid reflux disorder, also known as gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, is a condition that occurs when the stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing discomfort and irritation. Diet plays a crucial role in managing acid reflux symptoms. In this video, we will discuss the 5 best and the 5 worst foods for acidity. Best foods for acid reflux disorder. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a great breakfast option for people with acid reflux disorder. Oatmeal is low in acidity, high in fiber, and can help to absorb excess stomach acid. Oatmeal can also help to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation, which can exacerbate acid reflux symptoms. Ginger. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce inflammation in the esophagus and alleviate acid reflux symptoms. Ginger can be consumed in many forms, including fresh ginger, ginger tea, and ginger supplements. Lean protein. Lean protein sources like chicken, turkey, fish, and tofu are great options for people with acid reflux disorder. These protein sources are low in fat and can help to reduce acid reflux symptoms. It is important to avoid high-fat protein sources like red meat, as these can exacerbate acid reflux symptoms. Vegetables. Vegetables are low in acidity and high in fiber, making them a great option for people with acid reflux disorder. It is important to avoid high-acid vegetables like tomatoes, as these can exacerbate acid reflux symptoms. Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and green beans are great options. Non-citrus fruits. Non-citrus fruits like bananas, apples, and pears are great options for people with acid reflux disorder. These fruits are low in acidity and high in fiber, making them easy on the stomach. Worst foods for acid reflux disorder. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are high in acidity and can exacerbate acid reflux symptoms. It is important to avoid citrus fruits and juices if you have acid reflux disorder. High-fat foods. High-fat foods like fried foods, fast food, and fatty cuts of meat can exacerbate acid reflux symptoms. These foods can take longer to digest and can increase the amount of acid in the stomach. Spicy foods. Spicy foods can irritate the esophagus and exacerbate acid reflux symptoms. It is important to avoid spicy foods like hot peppers, chili powder, and curry. Carbonated beverages. Carbonated beverages like soda, beer, and sparkling water can exacerbate acid reflux symptoms. These beverages can increase the amount of gas in the stomach and increase the risk of acid reflux. Chocolate. Chocolate is high in fat and can exacerbate acid reflux symptoms. Chocolate also contains caffeine, which can increase the amount of acid in the stomach. In conclusion, diet plays a crucial role in managing acid reflux symptoms. It is important to avoid high acid and high fat foods and to focus on low acid, high fiber foods. Oatmeal, ginger, lean protein, vegetables, and non-citrus fruits are great options for people with acid reflux disorder. Citrus fruits, high-fat foods, spicy foods, carbonated beverages, and chocolate are best avoided to reduce acid reflux symptoms. It is important to work with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian to develop a personalized diet plan that meets your individual needs and preferences.